Hello, my brothers. This is Haytham El Gohari, a trader in the cryptocurrency market for 8 years. Honored to join the channel. And write me in the comments with your question about cryptocurrencies. We work on analyze currency professionally and risk-free. We start now. Analyze. Bitcoin price could pump after Trump's Bitcoin price held steady above 80,000. As crypto and stock investors remained cautious ahead of Donald Trump's Liberation Day tariff speech. Trump's Liberation Day speech was trading at $84,500, up 10% from its March low. Meanwhile, U.S. stock market futures pointed lower, with the Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100 dropping by over 300 points. Trump Liberation Day is here. The main catalyst for Bitcoin, altcoins, and the stock market will be Trump's Liberation Day speech at the Rose Garden. In this address, he is expected to announce reciprocal tariffs on most countries, including the European Union, China, India, and Japan. Analysts warn that these tariffs could lead to a major recession this year. Goldman Sachs and PIMCO have raised their recession odds to 35%. A downturn would likely result from slowing business investment and weakening consumer spending. In theory, Bitcoin price should decline once Trump announces the tariffs. However, in practice, BTC and the stock market may bounce back. There are three main reasons for this. First, the Liberation Day tariffs have already been priced in by market participants, as Trump has been discussing them for weeks. As such, the market may buy the fact once the announcement is made. A good example is how Bitcoin's price jumped to a record high ahead of Trump's inauguration, and then dropped after he became president. Second, Bitcoin has weathered major challenges in the past. It not only survived, but thrived during the COVID-19 pandemic and the difficult regulatory era under SEC Chair Gary Gensler. In an emailed note to Crypto.news, Gotti Chait, an investment manager at Xapo, downplayed the current fear. These price swings may rattle speculators, but ultimately this is just noise. Bitcoin has always been and always will be a long-term play. Its value lies in its inherent sovereignty, decentralization, and finite nature, not short-term volatility. We've been here before and will likely be here again, but Bitcoin's long-term trajectory remains undeniable. Finally, a recession could actually be bullish for Bitcoin and other risk assets, as it may prompt the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates and reintroduce quantitative easing. Technically speaking, we've talked about this before. Bitcoin in the 80K area. This is an important support area. The price will take off strongly, with very high odds, especially with the opening of the month, April. There will be a huge buying power in the market, perhaps breaking above $100,000 during this month. We will update continuously. It is very important that capital management is 5% enough for any digital currency. This is a very risky market. Honor me by following and share the video for the benefit of all. Happy season. Thank you.